Don't you know today is National Science Day? Oh, really? Yes.
Can you please tell why do we celebrate National Science Day?
National Science Day is celebrated every year on 28th February to commemorate the Raman's effect made by eminent physicist Sir C.V. Raman. So it's our duty to honor and recognize the contribution of scientists.
Okay, Aishwarya, let us plan something to exhibit today.
Let's go.
Good afternoon, class. Myself, Mohammed Nasim from Assam. My topic name is excretory system. What is excretory system? The body parts involved in excretion is called excretory system. The two main parts of excretory system are kidneys. Kidneys purify urine. The waste water and excess water is removed and the urine is produced. The urine passes the ureter. The ureter carry out urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. The urinary bladder stores urine and the urethra pass out of our body. Thank you.
On our body, the heart is in the opposite side. There are four chambers in the heart: left article, left ventricle, right article, right ventricle. The blood comes from left article first. In left article, there are two tricuspid valves. In that valve, when the blood pressure it opens and the blood comes to left ventricle. In this, there are capillaries present. The capillaries absorb the blood and sends to the lungs. And the impure blood comes in right article. In right article, there are also bicuspid valve. When the blood pressure it opens and the blood comes to the left ventricle, right ventricle. Here also there are capillaries. So much numbers of capillaries. Here capillaries absorb the blood and impure blood sends to lungs to purification.
From 9th standard, I am explaining about shells. Shells are fundamental organizational unit of a life. Robert Hooke discovered the shells in 1665. This is animal shell and plant shell. The parts of the shell: smooth endoplasmic reticulum, shell membrane, lysosome, shell wall, nucleus, rough endoplasmic reticulum, cytoplasm, mitochondria, vacuoles, Golgi operator, blastoids. Some differences between animal shell and plant shell. Only plant shell consists blastoids and shell walls. The vacuoles are big in plant shell, small in animal shells.
Today I am explaining about the water cycle. Do you know what is water cycle? The whole process in water vapor and flows on the earth as rains and later flows back into the river. There are five properties in water cycle. They are transpiration, evaporation, condensation, precipitation and collection. First evaporation. When water evaporates from different water bodies as seas and ocean due to heat from the sun, it turns into water vapor. Second, condensation. The cooler temperature causes water vapor to condense and form clouds. Third, precipitation. Clouds become bigger and heavier and fall onto the earth as rain, hail or snow. Transpiration. Plants loses some water in the form of water vapor through transpiration. Collection. Water eventually collects in ocean, rivers, lakes, streams and underwater.
Human height. The parts of the human height are eyelid, iris, pupil, cornea, eyelens, optic nerve, blind spot, retina, calorie muscle.
Good afternoon, 12. I am Varnika from class 8. Today I am going to explain you about female reproductive system. Female reproductive organs are a pair of oviduct, ovaries means fallopian tube, and the urethras.
Good afternoon to everyone. I am Tejaswini from class 9. Now I am explaining about endocrine glands. Endocrine glands are the ductless glands that release chemicals as hormones directly into the bloodstream. Firstly, pituitary gland, location base of blood. Pituitary gland releasing the hormone name is growth of hormone. Second, thyroid gland, location near the neck. Thyroid gland releasing the hormone name is thyroxine. Third, adrenal gland, location above the kidneys. Adrenal gland releasing the hormone name is adrenaline. Next, pancreas, location near the stomach. Pancreas releasing the hormone name is insulin. Next, ovaries in females, location lower abdomen. Ovaries releasing the hormone name is estrogen. Testes in females, location scrotal sac. Testes releasing the hormone name is testosterone.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Nakshita from class 9. This is the model periodic table. It has 118 elements. Elements are arranged in increasing order of their atoms. There are 18 groups and 7 periods. The horizontal rows are called periods and the vertical columns are called groups. The periodic table including metals, metalloids and non-metals. Some material shows the properties like malleability, ductility and sonorous. They are called metals. For example, calcium, scandium. And some material does not shows the properties like malleability, ductility and sonorous. They are called non-metals. For example, carbon, nitrogen. And some material shows both the properties of metals and non-metals. They are called metalloids. For example, silicon, germanium. Thank you.
Today I am explaining about respiratory system. What is respiration? The process by which our body gets energy is known as respiration. First, nose. It is the organ by which we can take in air. It has 2 nostrils and a cavity called nasal cavity. Next, trachea. It is a tube through which air passes to the lungs. Next, pharynx.